Enjoy clean, healthy water with ease, no installation fees or rental costs required. Moolmang Portable Water Purifier brings pure, refreshing water right to you. Just fill the tank with tap water. Once you connect the tank to the main unit, you're all set. Simple, right? Turn the dial counterclockwise, and purified water will start to flow. This purification system doesn't require any complicated installation, and the filters are easy to replace on your own. The 2-filter, 7-stage purification system delivers clean, mineral-rich water. And thanks to the quick-change filter design, replacements are simple and hassle-free. Plus, it charges via a USB-C cable, so you can use it easily anytime, anywhere. It's easy to use even in your office space, or for aging parents, anytime and anywhere. This system has passed 39 items of pollution safety test including for BPA, as well as 36 items of drinking water quality test. Starting today, enjoy clean and healthy water the easy way with Moolmang Portable Desktop Water Purifier. Better water, premium filter, Moolmang.